Hello students, let's learn about the topic division. As you all know, division is the opposite of multiplication. It means sharing equally or distributing equally. So, the number to be divided is called dividend, Dividend. The number which divides is called divisor, and the result obtained is called quotient. The number remaining in the end is called remainder. So, let us learn it by one example. Question is, divide 4329 by 15. So, as I told you, the number to be divided is called dividend. So, 4329 is dividend of this question. And the number which divides is called divisor, which is 15. So, 15 is divisor of this question. Now, let's learn how to divide. So, here we have to divide this 4329 by 15. To solve this question, we have to follow some steps here. Step 1, to compare the divisor and the number at the left side of the dividend. The left number is 4. Number at the left side is 4. As you all know, 4 is smaller than 15, so we'll consider 43 here. So compare 15 and 43. Yes, 43 is greater than 15, so we can divide it easily. For that, we need the table of 15. Here, we use table of 15 such as the product is equal to or less than and nearest to 43. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. 45 is greater than 43, so we'll write here 15 twos are. 15 twos are 30, 30 we will write under 43. Now, the next step, subtract 30 from 43. 3 minus 0, 3, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 1. Now, the next step is to bring down the next digit down. Now, we have the number 132. As you all know, 15 eights are 120 and 15 nines are 135. 135, 15 nines are 135 is greater than 132. So, we'll take here 15 eights are 120. Write it under 132. Now the next step again we have to repeat. We have to subtract it. Now subtract 120 by 132. 2, 3 minus 2, 1. Right? Again we have to bring down the next digit. The next digit is 9. Now the number is 129. So again 15 8s are 120. 9 minus 0, 9. Now we don't have any digit to bring it down. So our question is over. And children, remember that your remainder, as I told you, The number remaining in the end is called remainder. This is remainder. Remainder is 9. Your remainder should always be smaller than your divisor. Now in this question, the quotient is 288 and remainder is 9. Dividend 4329 and 15 divisor. Now let's check that we have done this question correct or not. For that, we will follow this formula. So the formula is divisor into quotient plus remainder. It should be equal to the dividend of this question. So let's check it now. According to the formula, we'll keep the things. Divisor is 15, quotient 288 plus remainder 9. When you will solve it, the answer should be equal to your dividend. So the product of 15 and 288 is 4320 plus remainder is 9. As you are adding these two, you are getting 4329, which is our dividend of this question. The dividend of this question is 4329, and while solving according to this formula, we are also getting the same result 4329. It means our question is correct. So let's see one more example for it. $5,937 divided by, this is the symbol of division, 68. So the dividend is 5,937 and the divisor is 68. The divisor is 68, a two-digit number. As we will compare our divisor and two digits from dividend 59, we'll find that 59 is smaller than 68. So we'll consider 593. Since we do not know the multiplication table of 68, so we'll do the mental calculation. We take only 6 from 68, okay, and 59 from 593. So 59 divided by 6, 6 nines are 54. So let's try 9 as quotient, and the rough calculation is required here. 68 into 9 we have to find out. As we are calculating it, we are getting 68 nines are 612, which is greater than 593. So we'll go to 68 eights are now. Here 68 eights are 554, which is less than 593. Therefore, 8 will be the quotient. 68 eights are 544. Now subtract 544 from 593. So 49 is remainder here. Now bring down the next digit, which is 7. Now we have the number 497. Now, to get the nearest number, again we'll do the mental calculation. Remove this 8 and 7. 6 8s are 48, means 68 8s are. Already we have that 544, which is greater than 497. So, we'll find out 68 sevens are. So, 68 sevens are 476, which is smaller than 497. So, we'll write 7 as quotient and 476 now. Now, subtract 476 from 497, 1 and 2. Now, we don't have any number to bring down, so this will be our remainder. And the rule is the remainder should always be smaller than your divisor, which is your 21 is smaller than 68. So in this question, the quotient is 87 and remainder 21. Now let's check it whether this question is correct or not. So the formula, divisor into quotient plus remainder should be equal to our dividend. Divisor 68 multiplied by 87 is the quotient and remainder 21. When we are multiplying these two, the product is 5916 plus 21 equal to 5937, which is our dividend of this question. So it means we have done this question correct. Now the next example, 21,259 divided by 697. Now in this question, the divisor contains 3 digits, so we should consider 3 digits from the dividend, that are 212. But 212 is smaller than 697, so we have to consider 4 digits. Now we have 2125. So now again the mental calculation we'll do. Remove these 2 digits, remove these 2 digits. So 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 is greater than 21. So find out 697 multiplied by 3. 697 3s are we have to find out. So 697 3s are 2091. Let's subtract it. 5 minus 1 4. 12 minus 9 3, and here 0 and 0. Now let's bring the next digit down. Now the number is 349. Now in this condition, 349 is smaller than 697. Because we are bringing this 9 down, so we have to divide it. 697 0 are 0 we can take here. What left? 349, which is the remainder of this question, and this is the quotient, divisor and dividend. So let's check it. Divisor into quotient plus remainder, it should be equal to dividend. 697 multiplied by 30 plus 349. 697 multiplied by 30 is equal to 20,910 plus 349. Now see, after adding these two digits, these two numbers, we are getting 21,259, which is our dividend. So children, I hope the topic division is clear to you all, and the video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.